From this video, you will get tips to prepare for HashiCorp Terraform Associate 003 exam. Terraform Associate 003 certification validates the candidate's ability to use Terraform effectively in a variety of cloud environments. Terraform Associate 003 exam information. Terraform Associate 003 exam objectives. Check the preparation tips for your studying. One. A developer accidentally launched a VM, virtual machine, outside of the Terraform workflow and ended up with two servers with the same name. They don't know which VM Terraform manages but do have a list of all active VM IDs. Which of the following methods could you use to discover which instance Terraform manages? A. Run Terraform statelist to find the names of all VMs, then run Terraform state show for each of them to find which VM ID Terraform manages. B. Update the code to include outputs for the ID of all VMs, then run Terraform plan to view the outputs. C. Run Terraform taint code on all the VMs to recreate them. D. Use Terraform refresh code to find out which IDs are already part of state. 2. You have provisioned some virtual machines, VMs, on Google Cloud Platform, GCP, using the gcloud command line tool. However, you are standardizing with Terraform and want to manage these VMs using Terraform instead. What are the two things you must do to achieve this? Choose two correct answers. A. Run the Terraform import GCP command. B. Write Terraform configuration for the existing VMs. C. Use the Terraform import command for the existing VMs. D. Provision new VMs using Terraform with the same VM names. 3. Which of the following 8 advantages of using infrastructure as code lack, instead of provisioning with a graphical user interface, GUI? Choose two correct answers. A. Lets you version, reuse, and share infrastructure configuration. B. Provisions the same resources at a lower cost. C. Secures your credentials. D. Reduces risk of operator error. E. Prevents manual modifications to your resources. 4. What feature stops multiple users from operating on the Terraform state at the same time? A. State locking. B. Version control. C. Provider constraints. D. Remote backends. 5. Which of these are features of Terraform Cloud? Choose two correct answers. A. A web-based user interface, UL. B. Automated infrastructure deployment visualization. C. Automatic backups. D. Remote state storage. 6. When should you write Terraform configuration files for existing infrastructure that you want to start managing with Terraform? A. You can import infrastructure without corresponding Terraform code. B. Terraform will generate the corresponding configuration files for you. C. Before you run Terraform import. D. After you run Terraform import. 7. Your security team scanned some Terraform workspaces and found secrets stored in plaintext in state files. How can you protect that data? A. Edit your state file to scrub out the sensitive data. B. Always store your secrets in a secrets (TFVARS) file. C. Delete the state file every time you run Terraform. D. Store the state in an encrypted backend. 8. As a developer, you want to ensure your plugins are up to date with the latest versions. Which Terraform command should you use? A. Terraform refresh upgrade. B. Terraform apply upgrade. C. Terraform init upgrade. D. Terraform providers upgrade. 9. What is one disadvantage of using dynamic blocks in Terraform? A. Dynamic blocks can construct repeatable nested blocks. B. Terraform will run more slowly. C. They cannot be used to loop through a list of values. D. They make configuration harder to read and understand. 10. Which of these is true about Terraform's plugin-based architecture? A. Terraform can only source providers from the Internet. B. Every provider in a configuration has its own state file for its resources. C. You can create a provider for your API if none exists. D. All providers are part of the Terraform core binary. Subscribe and like. Pass question.